The spotlight is now on the other murder suspect in a teenager's beating death. Today, Michael Geldrich admitted to robbing the victim of drugs and money in December and then dumping him outside of an emergency room. Local 12's Brad Underwood is in the newsroom with why Geldrich turned on his co-defendant in court today. Brad?
Well, good evening, Kimmy. By changing his plea to guilty, Michael Geldrich will be given a life sentence for the murder of 16-year-old Dione Payne with the possibility of parole more than 20 years down the line. That, however, hinges on his full cooperation in the prosecution of Michael Watson and Adam Patrick. 36-year-old Michael Geldrich leaves a Warren County courtroom after signing his guilty plea on charges of aggravated murder, aggravated robbery, kidnapping, and tampering with evidence charges. Both police and Geldrich's attorney say he has been upfront about what happened back on December 1st. In return for his cooperation, Warren County Prosecutor David Fornshell will drop a parallel kidnapping charge and a rape charge.
It's certainly been a very difficult thing for the family to go through, but they're as satisfied as somebody in their situation can be over today's result.
Co-defendant Michael Watson is facing the same charges as Geldrich, plus rape and a second kidnapping charge. Adam Patrick is charged with complicity to aggravated robbery. Geldrich is expected to receive a sentence of 22 years to life in prison if he cooperates.
He knows he's going to be punished, but this gives him the opportunity to get out at some point in the future.
Geldrich admitted to beating 16-year-old Dione Payne to death after robbing the teenager of heroin and money. After the beating, Geldrich says he drove Payne to Atrium Medical Center and left him. The teen later died.
I believe I could have made the case without him, but it's certainly a lot easier with him.
Dione Payne's family was in court for the plea and released a statement through the prosecutor's office saying they are grateful to the police and prosecutor's office and satisfied with the plea. Now, Geldrich will not be sentenced on those 4 charges until after the trials of Watson and Patrick conclude. Brad Underwood, Local 12 News. Cammie.
All right, Brad, thank you. Michael Watson is scheduled for trial on August 11th. Adam Patrick will be tried at a later date.